Hello everyone and welcome to 2-Minute English. In today's episode, you will learn 3 very common English expressions that native speakers use in everyday conversation. So, let's get started. The first one, in a hurry. When you are in a hurry, you need to go quickly because you don't have much time. For example, sorry, I can't talk now. I'm in a hurry. She left early because she was in a hurry to catch the bus. So, remember, if you don't have time, you are in a hurry. The second one, make up your mind. To make up your mind means to decide something. For example, please make up your mind. Do you want tea or coffee? He can't make up his mind about which phone to buy. We use this expression when someone is slow to decide. The third one, at the last minute. It means very late, just before it is too late. For example, he finished his homework at the last minute. She booked her ticket at the last minute. So, this expression means very late but still on time. Now, repeat after me. I'm in a hurry. Please make up your mind. He did it at the last minute. Great job. The last example is, I'm in a hurry, so please make up your mind. Don't decide at the last minute. That's all for today's episode of 2-Minute English. If you want to learn more useful expressions, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the next episode.